but the bias of the index is positive as every small decline is being bought. The reason behind the range bound bias is that index is holding well above 25,000 marks, but again sustained supply seen is at higher levels. India VIX is gone below 14 marks, so lower VIX could continue to keep the market on the higher side with lesser swing. So I believe the bias could positive, but market will be in broader range. The good part is that it gave the consolidation breakout on the daily chart, but after that the follow up and the momentum is missing. So buy on decline could continue, and as of now till it holds about 25,000. Use any small decline for an upside target towards 25,200 to 25,400 marks. Talking about Bank Nifty, that also got stuck in a range. The major momentum was seen on RBI's policy meet where the rate cut happened. But as of now, till it holds above 56,000, we will continue to be with buy on decline for an upside target towards 57,000. So both the indices are giving the stance for positive to range bound or more of the consolidative move for next couple of days.
Hi, morning. What's it looking like after yesterday's consolidation and today's good handover from the globe, positive talks between China and US? Do you think we'll make a dash up?
Yeah, I think we should be in for I'm not saying a decent day for the markets, but I think at least a decent next couple of weeks for the indices. And my expectation is at least a 500 to 700 point rally on the Nifty in the next 1 to 1.5 odd week. And that too led by a lot of performing sectors like banks. We've seen financials. They've started to look attractive and they've started to show signs of a breakout. We've seen the underperforming sectors, like for example, yesterday the IT stocks, they managed to make a comeback for themselves. Metal stocks largely have been into a range. Real estate stocks have been attractive. So the sector composition has been quite strong. And we've seen that the churn as well as the rotation has been quite evident in terms of the supporting the market moves at every point of time. I strongly believe that over the next couple of days, once the consolidation ends, we should be looking at least another 400 to 500 point uptick on the Nifty over the very near term. So traders should maintain the long bias on the index and try and use this 50-100 point dip which happens on an intraday basis as a zone to try and accumulate or add further.
All right, so the bias remains positive. Let's watch out for that. But let's also